You've tried everything, but your portfolio still doesn't grow. If you've been investing in stocks for a couple of months, for a couple of years, maybe you are in this situation. You don't have the performance you deserve, and you want to improve the quality of your investments to compound your wealth for the future. In this video, I want to highlight some of these points and what I do for my students so that they can compound their wealth. They can create the portfolio of their dream. So maybe this is your situation. You underperform because your portfolio has no structure. You jump from stock to stock based on tips, trends, headlines, macro, politics, or friends giving you tips, or Twitter threads, or YouTube videos. You don't build real conviction. You research companies, but there is no real method behind it. I see it a lot of the times where people make some research on a company, but you get lost in all the information. You don't know how to streamline all this information with a clear process, a clear framework. You overanalyze the wrong metrics and ignore the ones that matter. In investing, not everything matters. There are a couple of elements that make a difference if a stock goes up or down. And if you don't know what are these metrics, you are wasting your time. Literally wasting your time. You hold 20 positions in your portfolio, or even more sometimes, but you understand very few. Maybe this is you, and maybe you feel these points. This is exactly your situation. You have no real understanding of the companies you own. You never know when to buy, when to hold, or when to sell. So you are just guessing at this point. You diversify into sectors you don't even understand. You go into biotech, you go into cheap manufacturing companies, you go into rocket companies, you go into international companies that you don't really understand. If this is you, you're not investing. You're guessing, you're speculating. This is what most of my clients were doing before we fixed it, before we started working together. And here is what we changed so that they can have more confidence in their strategy, in their picks. First, we clean the portfolio. We remove what doesn't belong. We focus on 10 to 15 stocks maximum. So we go stock by stock. And you ask this simple question: do you really understand the company you own? What do they do? Are they better than competition? Are they very efficient? What has been the track record of the portfolio? You can already ask yourself these questions. Do you really understand what you own? Do you really think that these stocks can outperform in the future? So that's what we do with clients. We study their portfolio step by step to analyze what is the best for them. We define simple rules for buying based on valuation, quality, and conviction. The goal, if you want to outperform the market, if you want to beat the market in the long term, is not to invest in mediocre businesses, weak businesses, poor businesses. No. The goal is to invest in high quality businesses that are cheap. You have the perfect combination between good quality, good asset, good management, wonderful efficiency, and a discount. This is the golden opportunity when you buy. And a lot of people don't have this process, but this is what we implement for our clients, and that builds conviction. We track everything. We only invest when the upside is clear. And above all, we make decisions with a process, not emotions. A lot of people are emotional about the markets, but the most important part of the body is not the brain. The most important thing is the stomach. How do you react when stocks are going down? How do you react when stocks are going up sharply and you have FOMO, fear of missing out? Emotions will not help you achieve your performance. You need a clear process, and this is exactly what we implement for our students. So it's the exact method I've used personally to generate over 20% per year for years, for almost a decade. So if you're ready to stop improvising and build a real system, I can help you do it too. I've done it for more than 200 people. You can check the testimonials online. Click the link in the description and book a free call with me. We will talk about your situation, your portfolio, your objectives, your difficulties, and we will implement the right strategies in the coaching program. So if you think you need help, and if you think you don't want to waste your time anymore and have a clear framework, a clear process that has worked in the past and that will continue to work in the future, then I can help. You can book a free call with me in the description below. The call is completely free. You have nothing to lose. We will just have a chat and we will see if I can help you. So that's it. If you are interested, I'll see you on the other side.